Hello, in this video we'll show you how to reset the oil service indicator on Volkswagen Jetta MK6. Once we turn the ignition on, we'll see the orange sign on the dashboard, so that means it shows oil needs to be replaced. To reset the oil service indicator, we're going to be using the two buttons on the two sides of the dashboard. First we need to turn the ignition off. Then we need to press this button on the right, hold it pressed while we turn the ignition on. So I'm holding the button pressed and now I'm going to turn the ignition on. I'm going to count to 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to let go of the button. And now I'm going to press the button on the left until the range disappears. You can see the range disappeared, so that means the oil service has been reset. Now you can turn the ignition off and then turn it on just to see if the range sign has gone away. And you can see the range sign is gone, so that means oil service has been reset. Hopefully the video was helpful. Please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.